Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be opening up our paper pumpkin kit. This is the Notes from the Heart December 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Let's get this open. We are going to dive in. Let's see here. This is our stamp set. Just a note. Happy birthday. Best of luck. Lots of love. Get well soon. Hello, congrats, and thank you. We'll look at that closer when we get the sheet that shows our stamp set, and our ink spot is Blackberry Bliss. So let me get that ink pad. Okay. Let's get into this box. Whoop. Okay, there it is. Notes from the Heart. So it looks like we're making 9 cards, 3 of each design. All right. So before we get started on this kit, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our paper pumpkin kit coming up for January. It's the Hearts for You. It's going to make 9 cards. Real Red is the stamping spot. We have the Spring is in the Air dies add-on for $12, and I think it's 5 dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The item number is 166237. And this is going to contain some champagne foiling on these cards. So it looks like some red heart adhesive backed, some kind of embellishment and some twine. Pretty good stuff. So there's a link in the description for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. And you can always visit my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com for any information about paper pumpkin kit or any other thing going on with Stampin' Up, okay? Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? That is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's get some scissors and get into this kit. You know what I didn't get out? My stamping blocks. To put the, I'm trying very carefully not to cut up anything in the package. Yeah, to put our stamps on. So we're going to have to get some blocks out in a second here. Let me get this kit open. So we have some tear and tape here. Ooh, we have some pretty gems. Some little sparkle gems. Ooh, those are cute. Some Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay. We have some envelopes here, and they all look the same, so they're not decorated, but this is a pretty look mossy metal. So those are our envelopes. Our card bases. Oh, wow. They're scalloped. We have our sentiment labels with gold foiling. I love these little oval shapes. Cute. Here's a sheet, 2 sheets, 3 sheets. Okay, so they're all the same. And just die cut pop outs. So let's go ahead and pop these out. It's easier to pop them all out when they're stacked together versus just one. I find, especially if they're like fine detailed. These are not, but I'm just saying if they were, it's easier to pop them out when they're stacked together. Because we might as well take all of them out. We're gonna make one of each card, but I'm eventually gonna need that, right? So let's go ahead and get one of each of these little die cuts. Okay, we have that. Now we have some other little labels here, and we have 3 sheets of those. Yep. So we can pop these out, maybe. Oh wait, these might be, these are stickers. These are stickers, so we can't pop those out. Oh, ooh, vellum. We have vellum. And these, I recommend taking out one at a time. Oh, mine's got a little, oh no, that's not the actual leaf that's crunched up. That's something else. The outer workings. The outer, look at that. I'm just gonna pop out one sheet. These are beautiful. I love vellum. Even though I don't really know how to use it to get a good use out of it, I mean. Okay, here's our stamp set. So you can see how the lettering is, the font. Oh, that's neat how only the first letter is, okay, cute. I see that. I like it. All right. So let's see our coordinating colors for this kit. Blackberry Bliss, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, Pretty in Pink, Very Vanilla, and Gold. And of course we have our coordinating add-on dies. What are these called again? Mary Tags and More dies. So we have the Mary that we had, the frame, and then the leaf. So the leaf is probably the one that coordinates with this one, although I've been using it. So, okay. Let's get this thing opened up and see what we're going to be doing. Because I need to get my blocks out. So we need a happy birthday, just a note, and congrats. In your kits, you're going to get a size D block, which are very first kit only, but it won't be the ergonomic blocks. There'll be a paper pumpkin block, but you do get one with your very first paper pumpkin kit. So we need just a note. Congrats and happy birthday, I said, right? Congrats and happy birthday. Okay, so those are our stamps that we need. Now, let's go ahead and get our sentiment labels that we're going to be stamping on. So we need an oval. We just need one oval, right? Yes. We need one of our ovals. We need a circle. And we need one of the rectangles. Am I in frame here? You guys know, ooh, I try hard to stay in frame. I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to go ahead and pop all of these out. So we're going to do card number 1. We're going to need happy birthday on the oval. So let's get our oval, open up our ink, get our happy birthday, and we're going to just stamp that. Now, when it's the first time using some of these stamps, you want to practice on something else just to make sure that they're stamping correctly. Stamp my happy birthday. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp all of our sentiments. That way I can put this ink away. So our congrats is gonna go on the rectangle here. Let me make sure they have it in the middle, because I don't know if it needs to be to the side. Nope. It says congrats, but you know what? I think I'm going to use thank you. So let me get a different one, because I don't have any really use right now for a congratulations card. So I think I want to use thank you. So let's get the thank you, ink that up, test it out. Perfect. And we're going to stamp this right in the middle here. Just like that. Then on our circle, we will stamp just a note. Test it out on our little board that comes in the kit, so you don't have to get any extra scraps to test your, ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, I like that little fancy first letter. So we have that done. Okay. Now we're going to go back to card number 1. Happy birthday. We need this and one of our vellum leaves. Okay, so on the back of, we're going to adhere these together. Oh, okay, so you're going to put this on here. Oh, wait, we got to poke out our little innards of our flower here. Get those poked out. Okay, we're going to take our vellum piece and we're going to layer this like that. Turn it over. Get our tearing tape. And then we're going to, this is how we're going to adhere it together. Just going to put some tearing tape right across it to make sure they stay together. Just like that. We're going to take our happy birthday, put 3 dimensionals on there. So let's get those. Just like that. And I guess I should get a card base, huh? Oh, okay. So here's our card base. We're going to fold that. Where's my bone folder? Let's go ahead and burnish that fold down. I just noticed what the sticker was for. So we're going to keep this like this. We're going to take the backing off of our tearing tape. These cards, they're very simple. It looked like it was going to be difficult. So it's so soft and pretty. Look at that. That's really soft and elegant. I like it. Let me see. The happy birthday is just going to go right down here. Just like this. Then we're going to get our take your pick tool and our little gems. And we're going to use a big one. And you're going to go right here with a smaller one right above you. Then probably another small one. Where are the small ones? We're going to put that one down here. Just like that. First card done. Isn't that pretty? Now let me show you what the stickers are for. The stickers, where are you, stickers? These stickers, we're going to take one off. And we're going to put it, if I can get it back out, on our envelope because this is so dark you can't really write on it. You're going to put that right here in the middle of your envelope so you can address your envelope. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's move on to card number 2. Let's get another card base here. Am I seeing things? Wait a minute. There's, I don't know if you can see that on camera. There's yellow, the Daffodil Delight, like some kind of pattern on the front. It's very light. For a moment, I thought I was seeing things. Okay, so now we have that. So we're going to take this one for card number 2 and do the same thing. So we're going to put, what we're trying to do is showing that this stem goes in between these 2 stems on the vellum. Well, maybe not on this one. On the first one it did. On this one, we're turning it more. We're turning it more like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Now let's put our tearing tape on. So on this one, the tearing tape is going to go across the bottom here to hold it. Then up across this top. Just like that. We can go ahead and release the backings. Come on. We're going to sit this on our card front. Oh my goodness. Get this one, takes the just a note circle. Where's our dimensionals? I'm going to pop that up with 3 dimensionals. 1, 2, and 3. Remove the backings from that. And this one is going about right here, like this. And we're gonna get our take your pick tool again and add some of our gems. We're gonna put 2 over here. I'm doing a big and a small. Then we're gonna do another small one down here. Cute. These are so quick and simple. I love the softness of them. I wish that daffodil was just a little bit stronger because it just looks like your cards. You can't really see the design. Okay. So let's flip over to the last one. Card number 3. Ooh, I like these berries and everything. This is pretty. So we're going to do this one. Oh, we got to pop out our little innard on there. This one like this. Yep, like that. I'm going to turn it over. Tear and tape. And we're doing tear and tape from here down to here. And from here up to here. And that's going to hold everything together. Let's pull off this backings. These cards are cute, but they're so simple. Quick and easy. I'm going to put that right in the middle of our card. Get our last sentiment that says thank you. They suggest you use congrats, but I seen on the front of the instruction sheet, they might have used, oh, let's see. I think they might have used more than one. Oh, no, they used thank you on there. But on here, it says congrats. So it's just showing you that you can do different ones, of course, whichever one you want. And you have plenty more to choose from. So let's do thank you. And this is going to go. Oh, it's covering up that beautiful flower. But we're going to put it right here. Last thing we're going to do is add some gems. So let's put some of these beautiful gold gems on here. Get another small one. I'm going to put that one right down there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. And then don't forget about your stickers to put on your envelopes. But that is the 2024, the December Paper Pumpkin Kit Notes from the Heart. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.